if you're doing any soldering work, you absolutely need to have this silicone mat. This is heat resistant, just over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This can withstand heat. So as you're working, as you're soldering, you don't have to worry about getting any extra heat on here, whether it be some of your melting metal or your actual tools themselves. Everything is okay to be on this mat. Now, this whole thing is slip resistant, so it's not going anywhere. It rolls up. You can roll it up really tight, so it takes up hardly any space at all when it's all rolled up together. And I love this system up here. So you've got all these open rectangular spaces and this larger one to organize yourself however you want. And then within these little squares, it is numbered, going all the way up to 94. So you have 94 individual pieces here. This is perfect for really tiny screws, pieces. You can keep everything right in order, so you know exactly which order you took them off. So this is great for when you're taking items apart, whether it be watches, smartphones, computers, laptops, whatever it is. As you're taking out the pieces, my system is first screw I take off, put it on one. Next screw I take off, put it on two, so on and so forth. So then when you're putting it back together, you go in reverse order and you know exactly which way. No more guesswork, no more screws going everywhere. Everything stays nice and organized. Typically, the screws I'd be using are much smaller than this. I'm just not taking anything apart right now. But this is great just to keep all your tools in place, keep your mat clean. Everything cleans up real easily, just wipes off. And it's a really nice size mat as well. So just to show you here, you can see kind of the size of it, but it's just over 27 inches by about 15 3/4 inches, give or take, just by a fraction. But about like I said, about 27 by close to 16 inches. So it's a great size mat, fit on your counter, fit in your workspace, in your workstation, wherever you're doing your soldering. Highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.